Hello everyone, I am Yulong After Sales Technician. I am currently at the installation site of a 9 to 12 ton hour biomass pellet production line in Yunnan Province. This is our customer's factory gate. This is the raw material after the crusher. The material enters the hammer mill from here. Below this pit is the forced feeder. After the forced feeder, the material enters the hammer mill through this belt conveyor. The hammer mill is fully enclosed. Put the entire machine underground to reduce noise. Hammer mill output enters this independent workshop. Then, with the help of the forced feeder under the ground, material passes through the belt conveyor and enters the dryer. This is the dryer located in another independent workshop. The material will be dried here. After the material is dried, the belt conveyor will transport the material to another workshop. The dried materials will be stored in this independent workshop. Worker can use a forklift to push the materials into the forced feeder pit. Then, materials will be transported to the pellet production workshop. They will be transported to the silo by a belt conveyor. The silo will use augers to feed the material into the pelletizer at a uniform speed. Then comes the pelletizing section. The pellets will be transported to the big silo by the conveyor. After the big silo, pellets enter the packaging silo and are packaged by the machine. Okay, that's all for today's on-site customer commentary. Thank you for watching.